Have you ever wondered if you could actually build a substantial investment portfolio, even if you're not starting with a fortune? Maybe you've heard about investing, seen the headlines, but thought it was only for the super rich or for those who spend hours poring over stock charts. What if I told you that with just $10,000 and a smart, user-friendly platform like Wealthsimple, you could lay the groundwork for significant financial growth? For many, $10,000 feels like a significant sum, perhaps the result of dedicated saving, a bonus, or even an inheritance. It's enough money to make a tangible difference, but it's also not so much that you feel overwhelmed by the complexities of traditional investing. This is precisely where Wealthsimple shines. It's designed to demystify investing, making it accessible and approachable for beginners, while still offering robust tools for more experienced investors. But how exactly do you take that $10,000 and turn it into a powerhouse of passive income and long-term wealth? That's what we're diving into today. Before we jump into the how, let's set the stage. Why Wealthsimple? In a financial landscape often dominated by intimidating jargon and high fees, Wealthsimple has carved out a niche as a truly beginner-friendly platform. It offers a range of services, from automated investing, their managed investing product, to self-directed trading, a high-interest checking account, and even tax filing. For someone starting with $10,000, their managed investing option is often the sweet spot. It takes the guesswork out of portfolio construction and management, which is a huge relief for new investors. You get diversified portfolios, automatic rebalancing, and dividend reinvesting, all on autopilot. Plus, their fees are significantly lower than traditional mutual funds, meaning more of your money stays invested and working for you. Now, let's talk about that $10,000. While it's a great starting point, it's crucial to understand that investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. The real magic happens over time, thanks to the power of compounding. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but as it gathers more snow, your returns, it grows exponentially. Your $10,000, when invested wisely and consistently, has the potential to become significantly larger over years, even decades. But to maximize that potential, we need a clear strategy. The first step, and arguably the most important, when building any portfolio on Wealthsimple, or anywhere else for that matter, is to define your financial goals and your risk tolerance. What are you investing this $10,000 for? Is it for a down payment on a house in 5 years? Retirement in 30? Or simply long-term growth for financial freedom? Your goal will heavily influence the type of portfolio you choose. Wealthsimple's managed investing platform makes this incredibly simple. When you sign up, you'll be guided through a series of questions designed to assess your financial situation, your comfort level with market fluctuations, and your time horizon. This isn't just a formality, it's a critical step. Answering honestly will help Wealthsimple recommend a portfolio that aligns with your individual circumstances. For example, if you're saving for a short-term goal, say, a down payment in 2 or 3 years, a higher-risk portfolio might not be appropriate. Market downturns, while temporary over the long run, could significantly impact your capital just when you need it. In this scenario, Wealthsimple might suggest a more conservative portfolio with a higher allocation to bonds, which are generally less volatile than stocks. On the other hand, if you're in your 20s or 30s and investing for retirement, you have a much longer time horizon. This means you can afford to take on more risk, as you have ample time to recover from any market dips. In this case, Wealthsimple would likely recommend a growth-oriented portfolio, heavily weighted towards equities, which historically offer higher returns over the long term. Once your risk profile is established, Wealthsimple will present you with a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Think of an ETF as a basket of different investments, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., all bundled into a single fund. This diversification is key to managing risk. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, you're spreading your investment across hundreds, even thousands, of different companies and asset classes. Wealthsimple typically offers various portfolio options, including a classic portfolio, a socially responsible investing (SRI) portfolio, and a halal investing portfolio. For a $10,000 portfolio, the classic portfolio is often the most straightforward and cost-effective option for broad market exposure. The SRI and halal options cater to specific ethical or religious preferences, which might come with slightly different underlying holdings and potentially marginally higher MERs, management expense ratios, which are the internal fees of the ETFs themselves. For a $10,000 starting point, keeping fees as low as possible is paramount to maximize your growth. Let's break down the composition of a typical Wealthsimple managed portfolio for $10,000. While the exact allocation will depend on your risk assessment, a balanced growth portfolio for someone with a moderate risk tolerance might look something like this. A significant portion in broad market equity ETFs, covering Canadian, US, and international stocks, a smaller portion in bond ETFs, and potentially a tiny allocation to alternative assets like real estate. The beauty of Wealthsimple's managed investing is that it takes care of the ongoing management. This includes automatic rebalancing. Over time, as some assets perform better than others, your portfolio's original allocation can drift. For example, if stocks have a great year, their percentage in your portfolio might grow larger than intended. Wealthsimple automatically rebalances your portfolio, selling off some of the overperforming assets and buying more of the underperforming ones, bringing your portfolio back to its target allocation. This ensures you maintain your desired risk level and stick to your investment strategy without you lifting a finger. Dividend reinvestment. Many ETFs pay out dividends, which are essentially a share of the profits from the underlying companies. Wealthsimple automatically reinvests these dividends back into your portfolio, buying more units of the ETFs. This is a powerful driver of compounding growth, as your dividends start earning their own returns. Automatic deposits. While you're starting with $10,000, consistently adding to your investment is crucial for long-term growth. Wealthsimple makes it easy to set up recurring deposits, whether it's $50 a week, $100 bi-weekly, or $200 a month. Even small, consistent contributions can make a monumental difference over time. This also leverages the principle of dollar-cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market fluctuations. This means you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, averaging out your cost over time and reducing the risk of trying to time the market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.